So you're dreaming about building a new home. Well, in this video, I'm going to break down the 3 steps it's going to take to make that dream a reality. Step number 1, we need to pick your lot. The reason we need to do that is because we need to see exactly where you want to be and why you want to be there. So if you're looking for a subdivision feel, we need to see what available lots there are so we can help pick the right one. Whether it's a waterfront lot, an interior lot, or possibly a corner or even a cul-de-sac lot. We need to pick that lot first so that way when we go on to picking your plan, we can make sure it's going to fit on the lot that you're trying to find. Step number 2. Step number 2 is picking your plan. Once we have selected your lot and we know exactly where you want to be, let's say for instance you want to be on a corner lot in a specific subdivision and we've already located and we know that the lot is available. Now we need to pick your plan. We need to know the style of home that you're looking for, whether it's a French country or an Acadian, traditional, colonial, whatever it may be. We really need to have an understanding of the style and the feel of the actual floor plan that you're looking for. Then we're going to make sure it fits on that lot that you've already selected. Then we're going to adjust that plan to make sure it has the proper square footage that you want it to have, whether it's 3 bedrooms and an office or 4 bedrooms with 3 bathrooms, or you need an outdoor area or you want room for a pool. All of those adjustments are going to be made once you select your plan. Now that we've selected your lot, we've selected your plan, we're going to move on to step 3. Step number 3, put it on paper. We're going to combine the total sales price of the lot, the home, and the construction cost to get one final sales price. Once we have that on paper, we'll be able to put everything in writing, and that's the buy-sell agreement that you will ultimately send to the bank. Once we have everything on paper, the pre-construction aspect is completely done. Then we'll be able to get things going, submit everything to the builder, and your next step will literally be sitting back and watching that dream come to reality. So I hope this video has been helpful. If you'd like to speak a little bit more in depth about building your new home, all you have to do is click the link below or send me a message on Facebook. Thanks for watching. You have a good day.